All right, guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing review and setup of my new portable power station. I do want to say thank you to the company for setting this up for review, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. All right, so here's what we get. Instruction manual. Look at this bad boy right here. Built-in Type-C lightning cables. That is really cool. Handle. Look at this right here. iPads, iPhones, phones. Be able to charge it all right here. This is freaking cool. And then it's got its Type-C charger right here. Let's go ahead and actually turn it on, which should be right here. All right, there we go. And it's got a light built in. This is freaking cool. If you're going camping, anything outdoors, anything like that, you're gonna wanna have this. Like, this is almost necessary. It tells you the percent of what's left on here. And like I said, 7 different chargers right here is wild. Like, you can keep the whole family plugged in right here. So the Type-C that I have here, this is a super fast charger. It's a 22.5 watts, so you'll get super fast charging right through that one. Like, this is just neat. You can hang this and just have all the cords hanging through here. All right, so let's actually hook up some stuff to it. So let's check it out. Do an output here. Keep your watch charged. There it goes. All right, we'll put that there. Here. We'll do the Type-C to the iPad. Heard it right there. Charging. Cool. We'll do another USB. Gotta get the speaker charged up. There it goes. We'll also hook up my switch. There it is. Charging up. Right, and then last I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my iPhone. Bam, there it is. Look at this. This is wild. Super cool. Like I said, you could charge everyone's devices all in one. You got fast charging, and I still have one more output, one more built-in Type-C, a lightning and a micro option. Super cool. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the light feature on here. So if you just double click this piece right here, it'll turn it on to the max setting. And then it's got a little lighter setting there. The strobe feature, lighter strobe feature there, and then off. So like I said, even though you're powering all these devices, you can still use that light feature. Like I said, if you're hanging it like on a tent, or you still need it like while you're outdoors, like I said, this can basically charge all your devices and be your light source all in one. Like I said, it's still charging everything. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new portable like power station / emergency light, or just in light in general, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, definitely a 10 out of 10.